Hello and welcome to Big Num Numismatics. Today we're going to be talking about how ancient coins were made. As humans developed from nomadic hunter-gatherers into farming societies, one of the first problems that developed was the limitations of barter. You can always rely on another person having exactly what you needed to barter with. And also, an entire cow is hard to trade with when you only need a few chickens or a cloth. So, human societies began issuing cowrie shells, beads, knots, anything that was plentiful enough that societies could all agree that that was money they began using to barter with. Now, the Chinese, around 1000 BC, began issuing knife money, which had a utility in the form of decoration or stabbing someone, and money. This was a step up from just using lumps of metal that they found or metal ingots and wires. So the first round coins were struck by Lydia around 7th century BC in the Mediterranean. So this just showed really the advancement of the Mediterranean at the time. These coins were made out of electrum, which was a soft, natural alloy of both gold and silver. And the line coin pictured is one of the most sought after for ancient coin collectors. Usually costs around $2,500. Now these coins were pretty easily struck. Like today, there was an anvil die that didn't move on the bottom, and a die attached to a hammer that would strike both at once, imprinting the design on both. They got this process down, and usually the average person could get 100 coins per minute, which is pretty solid. Dies lasted around 10 to 20,000 coins, and millions were indeed made, so just think how many humans had to strike those coins. One of the hardest things about ancient numismatics is the fact that 99.999% of the dies were all destroyed by governments or corroded from the elements. Really, the only dies you see are from counterfeiters, which neither had the foresight to protect the dies afterwards, but they also wanted to keep using them for money, free money, free real estate. So these evolved from hammers into striking millions of coins across the Greek and Roman empires. Asia, on the other hand, went more towards the lower technology. They cast their coins, shown as one of the first dies, if you will, the casts of the coins, which had holes in them. This is like the pinnacle of Asian numismatics when you see the square hole in the round coin. The Romans, one of the first advancements in minting technology, was the tongs with both dies on each side. This helped speed up the process, make the coins more uniform. They didn't have to readjust the dies each time, and instead of a few people placing coins and such, one person could put the coin in, strike it with a hammer, release, and over again. These produced some beautiful coins, like the Athenian owl tetrahedron, and thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed the day. If you liked it, please consider subscribing and commenting what you think. Thank you.